Are your FreeArc Compression Runtime apps crashing due to the Unarc module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we start the Unarc module manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Unarc module. This library is a specialized decompression engine used by ultra-high compression installers, particularly in repack distributions of large games and software archives. It handles multi-stage extraction of highly compressed data blocks into usable program files. Errors involving this module commonly surface during large installations. Messages like Unarc.dll returned an error code often indicate insufficient RAM, corrupted archives, failing storage sectors, or write interruptions during massive decompression operations. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If your software is failing because of Unarc module DLL, the internal file mapping for FreeArc Compression Runtime is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Unarc module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to re-initialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Please use caution. Replacing Unarc module DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility referenced below includes information related to Unarc module synchronization. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Unarc module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.